How to forward WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp account. Now go to the chat from where you want to forward the message. Here, hold on to the message you want to forward. Now you'll find two arrows at the top. Simply click on the two arrows at the top. Here, select the chat you want to forward it to. Now, in here you'll find the arrow at the bottom. Click on it, and the message will be forwarded. As you can see, this is how to auto forward WhatsApp messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.